another video for you guys. This time it's on luxury scent box. Stay tuned. Okay, so you know your girl's all about that Barbie on a budget, that saving them coins, because you know what, at the end of the day you're gonna spend the money anyway, so why not save some? You know, tuck it away for that YSL bag or them Louboutins, whatever the case may be. Save those coins. But anyway, I actually collaborated with this company called Luxury Scent Box. They sent me out 2 fragrances. So basically, they kind of remind me of another online subscription box that sends out perfumes. You get a 9 ml like perfume. This is a lot of perfume. You get this full-size perfume and this beautiful little reusable twist. So they send you a reusable scent case that they send out quarterly. This one's really, really nice. They sent me 2 different types. Very, very sleek, very, very beautiful. I love it. So the 2 scents that I got is TOKYOMILK Dark. It's in the scent Pretty Rotten 33. I love the way this smells. I'll put on the screen the notes that it's in this particular perfume, but it almost gives me like a light florally sweet type smell. Hopefully one day they do create smell-o-vision, because let me tell you, this smells really, really good. Really grown and sexy with it, you know. The next one that I got here is Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo, and it's made in France, Paris. I gotta spray this one so I can get a little bit of the scent. Oh, this one actually smells more fruity. Once again, I put all the notes on the screen. It has like a fruity scent to it. So, you know, I mentioned that there is a coupon code, and I'll push this in so you can see how this works. So you literally twist it down, and then you twist it up. Let's actually go all the way in. And then you twist it up, and then you would just spray. Same thing for this one. You push it all the way into the actual thing, and you twist up, twist down. Like twist up, twist down. Keeps it safe for travel, because you could literally pop this in your bag, especially if you like, you know, you're out and about and you just want like a refresh. Just spritz this real quick. And these are luxury perfumes, like Jimmy Choo. Like, come on, it doesn't get no better than that. Plus they have like hundreds of scents. They have flower bomb, like they have so many different scents. So definitely check out the website. Everything will be linked down below, so definitely check that out. And the coupon code for 35% off your first month will be down below as well. Another benefit is that there's no commitment. You can literally go month to month. Let's say you got the coins for it, and the next month you're like, you know what, I have enough perfume, I'm good for now. You could always cancel it, and then whenever you want to pick back up, you can go ahead and do so. You get to choose the fragrance that you want each month, plus the actual cost for the actual subscription is $15 a month. So when you really think about it, if you are really like into scents, you're dropping, like I have a full size bottle. It's not even a full size, because the full size is like huge. But I have like the size before the full size of my flower bomb, and that perfume costs $90. I'll put the exact retail value of the size of flower bomb that I got, but it's either anywhere from like 80 to like 90 bucks. The lowest could be 70. I'm literally getting a month supply, which you're not going to go through in a month, especially if you continue your subscription, where you're going to be like collecting perfumes, and it's almost like as if you have like a full supply of luxury perfumes. So I don't think you'll use up the perfume in a month, to be honest. Only if, let's say, you're like you find a scent that really works for you and you just wear it all the time, or maybe you just like to spritz a lot. I'm more of like spritzing here, and like in these areas, like the pulse points, because that's what helps the perfume and scents last longer. I work in healthcare, so I don't usually wear perfume before work, but I usually put a little bit of something on me, and I usually choose scents that are lighter. And my patients always tell me I smell so good, but like I don't overpower it, and this is like perfect for me especially. So that's just something to note. So your first month, you'll actually get this beautiful black and silver reusable case. I actually like this one the most because it's sleek. I'm in a way like simple type chick, so this is like my favorite. The next thing I wanted to mention is the fact that there is a premium option. Every month you'll get a brand new vial as well as the perfume, and you'll have options to exclusive scents, which is pretty dope. You feel like you're in VIP, right? So once again, there will be a coupon down below for 35% off. So basically you'll be getting your first subscription for less than $10. So you'll have a luxury perfume like Jimmy Choo, okay? A luxury perfume for the cost of like cents on the dollar. Like even when you go to like Ulta or Sephora and you get like, you see like they have those luxury perfumes on the roller, like the roller ones, those are $25 a pop depending upon the perfume, and it's less than the amount of ounces that you're getting, mLs that you're getting with this brand. So definitely take advantage of the coupon code. Once again, there's no commitment. You can just purchase this first month, try it out, see what you think, and go from there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, I'm having a giveaway that's running till like the 2nd. I might even run it a little bit longer, or 3rd week of September. So definitely check out the card here to see more about that. And once again, everything's linked down below on how you get your coupon. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on those notification bell, because that's how you're notified when I post new videos. And like this video as well, because it improves the visibility of my channel so that more people can see leleGLAMXO. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for more.